students, we are going to discuss the application of law of triangle of vectors. First, law of triangle of vectors, the first application is it obeys the commutative law. Very easy it is actually. एकदा explain केले की नाही तुमच्या डोक्यात जाणार. It obeys the commutative law of vector addition. It obeys the commutative law of vector addition. What is that? Concentrate. For that I will take the help of a parallelogram, students. Look here. We'll take the help of this typical parallelogram. Yes? Yes? Okay. This is vector P. This is vector Q. This is vector Q again, because opposite sides of the parallelogram are parallel and equal as well. And this is vector P. ठीक है students? Then this is side OA of the parallelogram, which represents vector P in magnitude and direction. This is the side AB, which represents vector Q in magnitude and direction. Okay. Then from the law of triangle of vectors, the resultant is given in magnitude and direction by the third side, drawn from the starting point of the first vector to the end point of the second vector. Okay. Consider the vector P represented in magnitude and direction by the side OA. Consider the vector Q represented in magnitude and direction by the vector Q. Then from the law of triangle of vectors, you know that vector OA plus vector AB, vector OA plus vector AB is equal to vector OB. करते हैं vector OA plus AB, two adjacent sides. Resultant is represented by the third side, drawn from the starting point of the first vector to the end point of the second vector. That's it. This is the thing here. That is vector P plus vector Q is equal to vector R, which is represented by OA plus AB and OB. Now from triangle, आता OABC घेऊया. हे बघा, from the triangle, which triangle? OCB. You know that vector OC plus vector CB, OC plus vector CB is equal to vector OB. करते students? Now what is OC? Vector Q. What is CB? Vector P. What about OB? Vector R. What have we proved here? RHS same, LHS same. Therefore, law of commutative law of vector addition is verified. That is, follow these two equations, mulano. P plus Q is equal to R. Also, Q plus P is equal to R. RHS is same. Therefore, LHS will be same. Therefore, P plus Q is equal to vector Q plus vector P. Are you okay with this? ह्याला म्हणता commutative law of vector addition. That is, vector P plus vector Q is equal to vector Q plus vector P. Ends the job. ठीक है? Point number 1. Next, it also obeys the associative law. What is that? Associative law of vector addition. also obeys the associative law of vector addition. What is that? Concentrate. See the figure, students. You'll come to know what it is. Let P be the vector represented by side OA. Let Q be the vector represented by side AB. Then resultant is represented by vector R. Okay, this is vector P, this is vector Q. R is equal to P plus Q. कळतं? नाव एक झालं. हा, आता टेक्स्टबुक मध्ये त्यांनी काय केलं सांगताय. दिस इज शोन ॲज वेक्टर ए. दिस इज shown as, you can show it as P and Q also, you will not lose any marks for that. This is shown as vector B here, and this is shown, follow the arrows mulano, A represented by side OA, vector B represented by side AB, vector C. Okay, now concentrate. हा ही एक साइड येणार आता. From the triangle, students, लक्ष द्या. OA, AB, B, BC, vector C. Now, where is the resultant? I will show you. From triangle, law of triangle of vectors वापरतोय आपण. From triangle O, A, B, what do we get? Vector OA plus vector AB is equal to vector OB. What is OA? Vector A. What is AB? Vector B is equal to what? Vector A plus vector B. आपण ते R दाखवूया नको. So what is this? OB? Students, what is OB? Vector OB? It is vector A plus vector B. What is it? Vector A plus vector B. From triangle, follow. From the triangle O, B, C, what do we get? Vector OB एका ऑर्डर मध्ये जायचा प्लस वेक्टर BC is equal to vector OC. What is that? What is vector OB? Vector A plus B. What is BC? Vector C. ह्याला मुद्दाम ब्रॅकेट घालते का? You will come to know. Is equal to vector OC. Now, OB plus BC is equal to OC. So, what is this then, students? A plus B plus C. Resultant vector R. ठीक है? हाँ, this is resultant vector R. असं म्हणूया आपण. Now, from the triangle. From the triangle. हाँ, हे बघा. इजी आहे. फ्रॉम द ट्रायंगल ए बी ओ ए बी इथं सी घाला. नेमिंग पण सेमच केलं आपण. फ्रॉम द ट्रायंगल ए बी सी बघा हा. व्हॉट डू वी गेट? वेक्टर बी प्लस, और वी पुट इट लाइक दिस, ए बी प्लस BC is equal to AC. म्हणजे ही साइड किती झाली? B plus C. कळतंय स्टुडंट्स? Yes? Yes? Last. What do we get here? AC is B plus C. Now, last triangle. From the triangle, observe students, from the triangle O, B, C, from the triangle O, B, C, what do we get? We get vector OB plus vector BC is equal to vector OC. OB is what? From the triangle ABC मुलं no, OBC नव्हे. From the triangle ABC, vector AB plus vector, from the triangle OBC. A plus B, हाँ, from the triangle OAC. एक second. From triangle OAC. Don't worry, I'll repeat it. अजिबात टेंशन घेऊ नका. From the triangle OAC, what do we get? Vector OA plus vector AC is equal to vector OC. What is vector OA? A plus AC is B plus C is equal to OC. OC is R. What are we observing here? Observe these two relations, students. A plus B plus C is equal to vector R, or even A plus B plus C is equal to vector R. So, what do you prove here? A plus B plus C is equal to A pos plus B plus C. That is the thing here. I'll repeat it. Associative law. Let vector A be represented by side OA, vector B be represented by side AB, C be represented by side BC. झालं, एवढंच करा. Triangle OAB घेतला. Resultant is given by OB, that is A plus B. Triangle, we have taken the triangle OBC. OBC. What do we get here? We get, see here, from the triangle OBC. Okay. From triangle OBC, A plus B plus C is equal to OC. ठीक है? Next, from the triangle ABC, B plus C is equal to BC. From the triangle last OAC, A plus B plus C is equal to R. म्हणजे A plus B, if you take the triangle OAB, this side will be represented by the A plus B, and if you take the side, if you take the triangle ABC, B plus C is, we put it like this, B plus C is this, that is B plus C here. म्हणजे बघा, vector B plus vector C is equal to B plus C. दोन ट्रायंगल्स घ्यायचे, A plus B plus C आणि दुसरा A plus B plus C. काही नाही आहे. हा ट्रायंगल घेतला, A plus B मिळालं. हा ट्रायंगल घेतला, हे B plus C मिळालं. That's it. A plus, हा ट्रायंगल घेतला, A plus B plus C is equal to R. हा ट्रायंगल घेतला, A plus B plus C is equal to R. सांगायचं काय? A plus, फक्त ब्रॅकेटची पोझिशन चेंज होते मुलांनो. A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. Ends the job. कळतंय? That's it. For today, I will stop. We'll continue with more points tomorrow.